Wireless devices are everywhere, from phones and laptops to access points and routers, and they all communicate using radio frequency signals instead of cables. That convenience is great, but it also means data is flying through the air where attackers might listen in, so securing wireless devices is a major part of cybersecurity. Wireless devices are electronic devices that communicate wirelessly using radio frequency signals. This includes Wi-Fi routers, access points, mobile devices, and other equipment that enables wireless communication across a network. When setting up a wireless network, installation considerations are critical for security and performance. Factors like building layout, physical obstacles, and intended usage areas affect signal strength and coverage, while sources of interference such as other electronic devices or nearby Wi-Fi networks must be identified and minimized. A site survey is used to plan and validate wireless coverage. A pre-deployment site survey assesses the physical environment to plan access point placement and identify interference sources, while a post-deployment site survey verifies actual coverage and signal strength after installation. Heat maps visually represent wireless coverage and signal strength across a physical space. Using color gradients, heat maps show where signals are strong or weak, helping administrators adjust access point placement to optimize coverage and eliminate dead zones. Wireless security settings protect the confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity of data transmitted over wireless networks. These settings combine encryption and authentication mechanisms to prevent unauthorized access and data interception. Wi-Fi Protected Access 3, or WPA3, is the latest Wi-Fi security standard and provides stronger encryption and security features than WPA2. WPA3 includes protection against brute force attacks, stronger key exchange, and individualized encryption, while WPA2 and WPA3 should always replace older standards like WEP. Remote Authentication Dial-In User Service, or RADIUS, provides centralized authentication, authorization, and accounting for wireless users. It verifies user credentials before granting network access, making it especially useful in enterprise wireless environments. Cryptographic protocols ensure data transmitted over wireless networks is encrypted. WPA2 and WPA3 networks should use the Advanced Encryption Standard, or AES, to provide strong, modern encryption that protects data from unauthorized access. Authentication protocols control who is allowed to connect to the wireless network. Extensible Authentication Protocol, or EAP, is a flexible framework that supports multiple authentication methods, and Protected EAP, or PEAP, is a common EAP method that creates a secure tunnel for authentication. A layered approach to wireless security combines strong encryption, centralized authentication, and proper configuration. Regularly updating security settings and adapting to new threats is essential to maintain a secure wireless environment. The key takeaway is that secure wireless networks rely on proper planning, strong encryption, and layered authentication to protect data in the air, and if this helped, consider liking and subscribing for more lessons like this.